1 cup of mango, or roughly 1 mango, 1 cup of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of sugar. You need grounded nuts. I've also added raisin, and you need the leaves of saffron. This is optional. If you have saffron at home, it's fine. Otherwise, you can opt it out. And the ice. So let's get started. So what we're going to do is basically we're going to pour all this mango in the blender. And now I'm going to add our yogurt. Add our sugar, and then we can add ice, and all we have to do is do the magic. So I'm going to blend this. So our mango lassi is ready. You just have to blend it like 2-3 minutes. Depends how you would like to taste it. And then we have, this is the consistency of mango lassi. If you want more thinner, you can add a little bit of more ice. And now we'll just garnish it with our nuts and raisin. Add some saffron leaves. So this is a mango lassi. Enjoy, guys.